Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to hide your following list and your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before start, just make sure you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then tap at this profile picture in the top right corner, just like that, and tap at the gear on the front of that search icon, just like that. From here, simply tap at privacy checkout, which you can see the second option, just like that, and go for the first option, who can see what you show. Just simply tap on it like that, and you'll get that pop-up. Just simply tap at continue and scroll down to the very bottom. Here you can see on the very bottom, who can see the people, pages, and list you follow. It means your following list. And in order to make it private, just simply tap at the public, it's a visibility. Here it says choose audience. In order to make it private, just simply tap it only me, or you can set it according to your requirements, whatever you want to set. Just in order to hide it, tap at only me, just like that. So you don't need to take the further steps. If you want to take, that's up to you. Just simply set it to only me and come back. So that's how you can easily hide your following list on Facebook profile. So if you think that this video helped you and you learn how to hide your following list on your Facebook profile, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and if you have any question, just leave me in comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Do not forget to check the latest video on end screen. Thanks guys, goodbye, to the next video.